Hello. Today we're talking about a new concept. AY says long A. Look at the words on the screen. Day, say, pay, play, gray. What sound do you hear at the end of all those words? That's right, long A. AY is a vowel pair syllable that says long A. A. Vowel pair syllables have one or more adjacent vowels. Treat each pair with loving care. So to code AY, we are going to underline the vowel pair, cross out the Y, put a macron on the A. So there we have day. Underline AY, cross out the Y, put a macron on the A. There we have say. On pay, we underline AY, cross out the Y, code the A with a macron, and we have pay. For play, we cross out the Y, underline AY, put a macron on the A, and we have play. Same thing here. Underline AY, cross out Y. The A gets a macron. It's long. The word is gray. So now you have a reading practice sheet to do where you will practice that AY says long A. AY together says long A. I will now show you the card for AY. Sorry, it will take me just a moment to get there. Here we go. Open syllable. Let's get to vowel pair syllables. Here we are. So when we see AY on the card, we will say AY tray A. It goes under the vowel pair syllable tab in our notebook, in our flashcards. I will now have you read the reading practice sheet that practices AY tray A. Cross out the Y, put a macron on the A. AY together says long A.